got here, you can probably see from the title of this video, we're going to put up this Carport Canopy that I got from Harbor Freight. And that's it right there. It's a 10 by 20 all-purpose canopy, and I've got 200 parts here to put together. I usually don't look at the instruction manuals when I put something together, but on this, yeah, I'm going to have to. So yeah, it looks like I got 100 pieces put together. I'm thinking I'm just going to put it right here next to the garage. I was going to put it over there where the Cutlass is sitting. That way I could get cars in and out of the garage, but then I got to thinking, you know, we like to park our car over there, and you can look at my garage. I ain't going to be getting nothing in here right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll put it out right here in front of me. And see what kind of quality it is, give you guys a review on it, how hard it is to put together. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up the tripod. So it might be a little bit of a long video, and then again it just might be a short video, then again I might not even post it at all. So alright, let's get to it, man. made a mistake, guys. I got her up, but I got some extra poles, and what happened is these poles are marked. Now this is number 2. This is number 1. So actually, this is supposed to have. This is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 1. So we need another pole to go in here, another number 2, because it goes 2, 1, 2 on each end. So that means the top 2. That's why it's coming up so damn short, man. So I'm probably gonna have to wait till somebody comes by and get them to help me, or I could just take it back apart. It just sucks, but it's gotta be done. So. I had some spikes that it came with some spikes with the eyelid on them to run the to run ropes out and shit, but I didn't want to do that, so I just ran the spikes down into the legs, and they go down in pretty far. This is what she looks like up underneath. It's not bad. I wound up giving, they're actually $119 there at Harbor Freight. Seeing that I got a membership with Harbor Freight, I paid $99 for it. The one thing I don't like is that all the tubes, they just stick together, but they really don't grab, they just slide into the holes. So I started and took and was putting some self-tapping screws. I started to do that. I've got a few of them in, and then my bit that I was using to run them in with, it stripped out. It was another piece of shit Harbor Freight thing there, tool. So Looks like a bird done shit on it up there. It's not a bad, you know, the material seems alright. It's like a plastic, I want to say kind of like a tarp material, but it's more of a plastic than it is a tarp. And it comes with all these bungees with the balls on the ends. So overall, for 99 bucks, 100 bucks, it's not too bad. I was worried about the distance on the side of the car, me being able to work on the car, so that looks like I got enough room. The reason I got this is because I'm going to be working out here in the driveway a lot this summer, and I wanted some shade. I could stick my fan, my garage fan out here, and to blow a little air and try to keep cool. Because since I had that heart attack a few years ago, man, this heat really takes it out of me. Just mowing the yard is a job for me anymore. Wears me out, man. But overall, it's pretty decent. I'm happy with it. For 100 bucks, I'm happy with it. Oh, you stay where I can see you, man. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Get started on the next one. Actually, I've already started on the next one. Another project, new project. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Hit the notification button there so you can notify when I am putting a new video out. And guess that'll be it, guys. I'll see you next time. Later.